Do you ever feel like putting on a bold lip is a task? You want to put some blush for youthful look, but you end up looking like a clown? No. Now to combat that, you will use some eyeshadow and then end up regretting the idea? Mm, nah. No. Finally, liner, godsend, can fix your makeup problem, but it end up causing some serious trouble. Just like drinking and texting your ex and the next morning realizing what a stupid idea it was? No. Sometimes we do eye makeup which is so overpowering and overwhelming that take that focus away from our lips or create a whole mess on our face and too many of focal points. My name is Shambhavi and today I am going to teach you how to put on a bold lip with a perfect eye makeup which is not so overpowering, not so overwhelming, and looks extremely perfect and well balanced in person or in camera or on camera too. To see how I created this look, let's roll into the main content. I did my base, foundation, concealer, contour and powder. PS, please ignore my bad brows. First I'll do my lips. I'll use this lighter shade of red on my lips and blend it with my finger. Now I'll use a shade darker onto the outer part of my lips and then fill it in a little. To make it even more darker on the outside, I'll use a dark brown lip liner and blend it with my lip brush. This will give the ombre effect of lightest to darkest shade, which will give the illusion of fuller lips. Long jump shot. I'll powder my lips to make my lipstick smudge proof. I'll give beauty shot of each step as I go. Vega lash curler just to enhance my real lash. Lotus mascara just in the roots for some volume and poking it into my eyes. Another mascara from Maybelline Lash Sensational for some more volume and length. I'll use wiggling motion in the roots of the lashes and then going up. This is my favorite way to go with bold lips. Bare eyelid, loads of mascara, very French girl aesthetic. Next for eyeshadow look, I'll use this contouring shade into the crease, push the product into the brush for no fallout. Not gonna go away from this angle. You see how I hold the brush? Lighter you hold, softer the blend will be. Just sweeping back and forth with the lightest pressure. This palette is from Shivana Color. I'll use this highlighter shade on my mobile lid and do a tapping motion all across my mobile lid. Now I'll pinpoint highlight just in the inner corners and the center of my mobile lid. This way we will have control over highlights too. Don't go crazy with highlighter, you will look like a disco ball in person. With a fluffy brush, I'll blend one more time just around the edges. Oh my, I have to say, this look is so sultry and sexy. Perfect date night look. Yummy. Blue Heaven eyeliner, very important. Do the thin liner inside and then do the thick liner on the outer corner of your mobile lid. Never do the thick liner all the way across your mobile lid with bold lips. You will look horrendous and nobody will ever going to tell you because people want fun stuff to look at. But if you want to do a thick liner, do it. All up to you. Makeup has no rules, but it has a theory, and it's a thin line between overdoing it and doing things perfectly. Oh my, I should try my hands in modeling too. I'll mix the lighter shade and the peachy coral blush and make a perfect shade for me. Mixing it onto the back of my hand and taking the excess off. I will not take the blush too far from the angle, it upward and towards the outer corner of my eyes. This trick will give color and youth to my face without being too obvious. Now refreshing my lip color one last time. Taking a tissue, lipstick on teeth is a total mood killer. I'll take that excess away by blotting it with a tissue paper. And that's it. I hope you all find it helpful. See you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.